sick.
What color is it?
So he's bringing two. He's bringing a white one and a red one. I don't know which one this is. So he was saying, what's the difference? One has 870, the other one has 1,000 something.
So
but they're both demons.
One of them's got a elephant. That's what I know with the elephant.
I think one is a 1320 edition, so that's the one that's like over 1,000.
They're both 1320, he said.
Oh, so it's like better than a demon. It's got like the seat delete.
Yeah, I mean,
it's like the drag race when it comes with radials on it.
You ever see the one? Do they all come with that crate, that big crate?
No, that's what. That's the demon when you first buy.
No, that's what these are. He said he has both of those.
So that's the day one, I think. Because when you buy, you get like the drag pack and everything.
Dude, how did you feel like the best? I was not lying.
You were not lying. So what are your thoughts?
I think it's gonna be sick. I can't wait to see the red one. The red one is... I can't wait to see the inside of it. I've honestly never been hands-on with this car, so... just looking at it, I mean... obviously aside from the wheels and the demon on the side.
George.
It looks pretty much like an SRT.
What do you think, George? You ready to get hands-on with it? Joe, I know you're ready for this.
Not really a demon guy.
I mean, he's gonna see this, but I kind of think a Trackhawk's like cooler. But this is sick. This is more rare.
I think Trackhawks are
gay.
No, I think they're sick. Oleg.
Why?
Why what?
Why what?
Fuck you, Oleg.
Fuck you, Dale.
Fuck you, Dale.
Fuck you, Dale. No, Dale's a good guy. Dale's a good guy. I know. Oleg is just grumpy.
Nick, no,
What the fuck does that even mean, bro? No, you don't even know.
Lick S. No.
See, he did the direct translation. It doesn't make sense.
Then you tell him something in Russian.
Huh?
You tell him something, man. Look at him.
К Дейлу подмазывается, чтобы он ему красивое видео, фото делал.
Да, надо делать, да. The media.
Медиа. На медиа надо свою страницу вести.
Ну да.
Дудя.
Ну да.
Good? Okay.
Yeah, that's right. I guess. That's меня.
Wait, do that again. Nick, bodybuilder, what?
Что говорит он?
What? Do it again.
Flex. Go ahead, flex.
А, не, это он.
What the?
Goofy ass.
We're gonna go through that like it's fucking crack.
Well, yeah. I mean, we already have 5 fresh ones. Yes.
What is this?
Swivels.
Degreaser?
Degreaser. The good old stuff.
Degrease these nuts.
Hell yeah.
If you need that on your nuts, you got bigger problems than you need.
That stuff actually won't hurt your nuts if you put it on it.
Wait, how do you know that? How do you know
I
that?
used it before.
Oh,
He had a little bit of a situation. I guess he didn't want to go to the doctor.
situation.
It was like a last minute desire thing.
It was a thing where I didn't know if she was safe or not, so I had to just
Take precaution
just in case.
Nice.
I was out of alcohol.
What was his name?
Oh, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, you love running up a tab.
Hey, what can I tell you?
You love running that tab up, huh?
You see me at a bar.
It's not your credit card though, so it's okay.
It's on a business card. Yeah, no, I run big tabs at the bar though. That's real.
That's something, guys. If you're looking to go out with Nick, just know he'll spend a ridiculous amount of money on you and run a tab.
It'll be a separate tab.
No, it will not be a separate tab.
It will be a separate bill.
Fuck you. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna order everything, and then I'm gonna leave right after you write about it.
Separate bill until the 5th round.
Exactly, but that's only if I don't leave first. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then so happily never come back.
No, you're just gonna beat your shit in the bathroom and come back and contemplate life.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
They're using our mug as a showpiece. That's what you know. Imagine just drinking dirty Sprite out of this.
Okay, those toads look.
Whoa.
These look sweet.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Fire.
Very cool.
This means, Dale, all these boxes.
What does it mean?
Green in the front.
Hell yeah. We're getting tight today.
Mm-hmm.
There. I see you've stumbled upon another Lux Auto Studio video.
New merch. Look at that. Look at the new merch you got on, bro.
Guys,
Let's show the people what.
old logo
Toss that shit.
is dead.
Toss it. Get that shit out of here.
New logo is here to stay, guys.
Stand up.
Woo!
Let's see the back.
Check that out.
Damn.
Hell yeah.
Let's
We got a bunch of merch, guys. We got Cars and Coffee this Sunday. We're very excited. Let me pick my buddy up.
Peanut.
Peanut. We got Cars and Coffee. So we had to make sure we got the merch because, you know, we take the merch things probably more serious than we should because we are a car company first, not a clothing company. But just like putting that shit on, man.
Look fresh.
Like putting that shit on.
Looking
so
fresh to
we
death.
got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got coffee mugs.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Guys, never blend in. New slogan, and it's trademarked, so you fuckers can't steal that shit. And
What do we got?
so much exciting little things.
What do we got going on? Let's show.
We got these shirts with the signature never blend in slogan on the back, logo on the front. This is reflective, so at night, if you take a picture with the flash on, it'll reflect, it'll look super dope. Pretty proud of these ones. This was a cool little idea.
Should we show them the
Straight from the dome piece.
Should we show them merch rack in the waiting room?
Yeah, why don't we do that? You know, this guy's asking it cleaned up, guys. Don't judge us, you know. It's not a museum in here. We actually do work. Whoa. We got Rubus over here. What are you doing, Ruben?
Freshening on Mateo's car.
Tremendous. We got, if you've been following along with our YouTube channel, you know exactly what car this is.
Wait, what were you telling people that before that happened with your bumper? What happened with your bumper?
We got it repainted last week. Came home from vacation yesterday, driving home from a long, annoying day at work, and I hit a deer. So, don't know how we're gonna proceed here.
Holy look at this place.
Get in here now, get in here, get in here.
Look at that. Wow, I'm sick.
Yep, that's right, guys. Hold on. Oh, I guess it's got to be charged. Okay, this has to be charged, guys. Personally, interior designed by yours truly. So, you know, if you hate it, that hurts my feelings. If you love it, thank you so much. Came out pretty sick. They did the floors. We got a nice little beverage area. You know, we're going to the top with this one, I think. You know, we got a big TV, little coffee machine. These are some bills that shouldn't be in here. Keep those in there for now. But yeah, we got some of the merch up. We got tote bags. Got this cool skateboard. We're gonna actually be getting Lux skateboards made too. We're gonna make one once the E92 is done. We're gonna, you know, Luxitize it on a skateboard. Got the new drip. Oh!
Oh, never blend in.
We're calling this the Lux Signature Tee. Printed on comfort colors. Very nice.
The cream looks good with the green.
Green looks good. And we got the black John.
Come in, sit down while you're waiting for a car, maybe buy some new merch.
Yes, exactly. I mean, you literally can't wait here without, you know, this is consumer psychology 101. You have to stare at the merch the whole time, so.
You walk out of here,
You know.
getting your car done, and all of a sudden you walk out with a tote bag.
It wasn't planned that way, but it looked good against the acoustic wall and looks pretty good. We gotta fill up this space, so we don't know what we're gonna do with this yet, but we'll figure something out.
Tell the people what they get if they get a full PPF.
Oh, yeah. while supplies last, if you get a full body PPF job, we're gonna be giving you a care kit, tote bag, a t-shirt, a coffee mug, and we're trying to figure out one more product to put in there, something consumer friendly, so maybe like a tire shine or an interior cleaner. Obviously all your warranty information and stuff like that will be in there as well. But we're just trying to give you guys a goodie bag, give back to you guys that support us, give us these big jobs, trust us with your prized possessions. You know, we want to make sure you guys know you are loved, cared for, and respected here. And
Remember, we never blend in.
never blend in, guys. We're not like those other guys, bro. You know, those other guys, they just want to take your car, whatever. You know, here, you know, we appreciate every year, make and model, every character, color, and creed.
You said cream or creed? Creed, hold me now.
I don't know. I don't really know what else to say after that, but yeah, gonna be a pretty nice experience. Okay, this is the old goon room. This is Unit 7. This is all a work in progress. It's nowhere near done, but you get an idea. We've got some of the lights going up. We're gonna do these nice. We got my boy Stallone mounting the lights, hiding the wires nice, putting them all on switches. They're gonna be all over the sides of the walls. We're just, like I said, it's a work in progress. New power washers setup's gonna be in here. Ignore this, we're figuring out what to do with this. If anyone has any suggestions on how we could pretty up this storage system, please, because we are trying to make it hidden and not noticeable so it looks like all nice and blended in, but I don't know. So we're gonna do another wall-mounted pressure washer over here. And that's not what this video is about, bro.
What room is this anyway? Like, what do we do in this room?
What are we doing in this room? We're gonna be doing tints and vinyl wrap in here. And some other stuff. But we're trying to keep it as clean as possible. So this will basically be a film room or like a part installation room, something that doesn't create a lot of dust. So like no polishing, nothing like that. We don't want any cross contamination. We did that with our PPF room and had massive success with that. We really limited our incidents of having to redo panels because of dust and contamination. So we try and operate at like a zero dust policy here. I mean, if there's a speck of dust and you see it and we did your car, bring it back. It's covered under warranty. I don't want any car leaving Lux Auto Studio with a piece of dust, an imperfection, nothing. It's covered under warranty. So that's why never blend in.
You never blend in. Uh-oh, what's behind this door?
Drum roll, please! The PPF room. Step inside, Dale.
Wow, it's a lot bigger in here.
Yes. Still in progress with how we're gonna have the final layout. But the guys have, honestly, most of our business has shifted from detailing to really just PPF, color change, and like aftermarket parts. So we gotta make sure we have the space and the space is growing to cater to that growing demand. So now realistically we could probably get 4 cars at a time in here instead of 2 cars in the other space. So basically able to double our output, have less wait time in between jobs, keep up with the demand, because we never want to be like those guys are, oh, I'm 3 weeks out, 4 weeks out, 5 weeks out. Guys, you're just not efficient at that point. You know, at the end of the day, customers don't want to wait a month and a half to get in. If I got a new car, I want to get in right away. That's what we try and do. So, you know, we'll always find a way to squeeze you in. Even though Oleg, Rob, and George might not agree with that.
Dang, what's it?
No.
That's the supercharger
spoke about
sound.
that.
That's the supercharger sound
No
now.
more moaning in the video.
But that's the
Sam.
supercharger sound.
We went over this in the first video. I told you, and we're not doing this anymore.
But this, wait, what's the sound?
All right, no more. Enough, man. Okay, anyways. Okay, another demon. I'm not a big Mopar guy, so it's cool.
Mopar or no car, baby.
Yeah, it's cool.
But
But I like this more.
Damn, can you tell us about what is this?
I don't, it's,
Is
you
this
know
an-
what,
is
actually.
this an individual color?
It's an individual mint green. And this thing looks sick. If you guys were, for all my ex-sneakerheads or current sneakerheads, it's got that Grape 5, that Grape Air Max 95, little colorway going on here. This car looks hot. Getting full body PPF. And you know,
It's pretty sick.
we do like 1 million of these a year, so it's gonna come out good, like everything else here. But these are coming out extra good.
Uh-oh, the guys are working pretty heavy.
Make sure you spend a lot of time on Rob. He loves being on camera.
No, that was my shoe slipping.
He's
Look at
trading cryptocurrency right now.
Right, Oleg? He's on the phone. He's on the business call. Trading.
All right, he's busy trading crypto.
A yellow Urus. Wait,
yellow
what's
Urus.
the wait? What's the story behind this one?
So this was actually the same orange Urus we did 2 weeks ago. His wife hated the color that he picked for her, but they loved the job. The job was amazing. The job wasn't the issue here. She hated the color, so he brought it back, and now it's yellow. So we did the calipers to match. Because of the whole situation, we felt horrible that the guy had to pay twice for the job, so we threw the calipers in for free. We painted them to match the wrap for him because, guys, that's the Lux never blend in mindset, guys. We are customer first. What other shop is going to do that for you? They're going to say, oh, well, it's your fault you chose the wrong color. Well, it is the customer's fault they chose the color, but some things in life you can't control, and we always make it right, and
At the end of the
we're the
day-
best, and blah, 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 blah.
At the end of the day, the customer's always right. Remember that.
Customer's always right.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Mikey's wearing the fresh new merch.
Fresh new merch. You see the drip,
You see the drip.
guys. For $45, we're giving these away. For
Practically.
45, we're probably giving them away. For 25 on the Chrome Heart Blanks, free. Come on. You see the drip?
New merch line? Oh shit.
Guys, Sunday 23rd, be there. It's gonna be lit. We got Kings, Urbana, Auto Armor, us. It's gonna be dope. We're gonna have a DJ, food, coffee, everything that you love. Cars, lots and lots of cars. I hope so.
It was an 8 point. It was an 8 pointer. 18 pointer? No, 8.
Yo, what do you think? You think this is diabolical or what?
Oh, do I think it's diabolical?
Can you diabolically fill up the soap gun
So
for me?
essentially, this needs a diabolical amount of soap, and I'm gonna make sure that's taken care of. That's fucking guy.
For our boy. Are you doing blue now? No, green. But he wants to see it with bronze wheels on his current wheel setup.
I think this is the best thing ever.
This software is really the best thing ever. Seriously.
Diabolically speaking.
I love how we diabolically have so many Zing cans around here.
That's essentially it's diabolical.
It's diabolical how many zinc cans we have here. Hot air blower.
Yeah, keep talking. More money to spend.
Yeah, exactly. Every suggestion. That's why I'm tired of people having input. Every input and suggestion is just ching, ching.
It's just money. Right, Joe?
Oh, keep singing.